everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kaye, and today I will be reviewing the Morphe 35C palette, which is this new, fun, summery, springy palette with this nude packaging, which I love. And then I will also be reviewing the Gloss Pop face and eye gloss. So I will be letting you guys know all of my thoughts. If you would like to see how I created this eye look and my thoughts on the gloss, please keep watching and make sure to subscribe to see more of my future videos. And with no further ado, let's get into the video. Hi everyone, so I have my brows done and my eyelids primed. The first shade that I will be taking is this nice peachy shade, and I'm using a JH30 brush. And then the next shade I'm taking is this nice grainy matte shade, and this is a JH33 brush. Wow, that is pigmented. That's a good grain. And then into the crease. And I just lightly put the green in there, but I'm going to blend it out with the peach again. And now I will be cutting the crease. And then going in with this sparkly green shade and just taking my finger. And the next shade I'm taking is this gorgeous emerald green. This is a Makeup Shack T65, just to blend those two together. I will do the same to the other eye and then I will be back. Okay, so I have the other eye done and I'm going to add some liquid eyeliner. So the liquid eyeliner I'm going to use is called the Flash Cat Eye by... oh my god. I literally just keep flicking it at the wall. It is called the Flash Cat Eye by L'Oreal. And I'm starting it on the outer part of the eye. So what I like to do with my wings is, you can see down here, I kind of have some skin that folds, so I like to go off of that. And then it's a little lower than I want. So this is just a makeup wipe, and then I'm going to be doing the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as I'm editing this, I realized that a clip was totally not recorded. So right here, I just went ahead and did my face, so I'm just dropping right into blush, but I will have everything linked down below so you guys know what products I used. For blush, I'm going to be applying Ginger by Laura Mercier. It's this really nice peachy shade that I think will complement the green really nicely. And just focusing on the back. And now let's review the gloss by Morphe. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, it has like this little pointy syringy type top, and I'm just putting it on the back of my hand. So let's feel it. I'm assuming it's best applied with fingers. It feels kind of silicone-y. Does it have silicone in it? Let me check. I'm actually not seeing like an exact silicone ingredient or coming out and saying it. I guess maybe not. But it feels more jelly. It's not sticky at all. So it does make me wonder how it would go on the eyes if your eyeshadow would still crease. But let's try it out on the cheeks. Ooh. That's actually really pretty. And it didn't disrupt what was underneath too much. Well, I guess a little bit there, yeah. Kind of moved the foundation underneath, which I do not like. So this I feel like would be best with like a tinted moisturizer, or just on like your bare skin if you want to add like a nice glow. It doesn't really work with foundation at all. Like you can see, it just took that right off, which is so annoying. And if you try to go over, see how it goes gray slightly? That is not fun. I don't like that at all. Okay, so this, so the gloss, absolute no. And let me put some lipstick on and we'll review the palette and I'll tell you my thoughts on that. Okay everyone, so I am back and let's talk about the palette. So, you know I don't like the gloss, the face gloss, because it was just very greasy. I don't like when it moves the makeup underneath. That is one of my #1 pet peeves. So I think the gloss would work if you were wearing, say, a tinted moisturizer or just bare face and wanted a little glow. It'd be perfect for that. But as far as that goes, if it's moving stuff around on the face, I can guarantee it's gonna move stuff around on the eyes. So not my favorite. As for the palette, so let me just tell you guys, yesterday I did actually three different eye looks and couldn't get a good cohesive look. Even today, I feel like I struggled a little bit trying to get the eyeshadow to work the way I wanted it to, and there just isn't enough middle, like in between shades. I feel like it's, you either have these really light colors on top or you have these dark colors or purples, but you don't have a lot of medium colors. Even this brown is pretty dark. These are very mauve. I also feel like the shimmers are a little cheap looking. Some of the mattes, I mean, the mattes were actually pretty good. The green I was very impressed with, and then this one was also really fun that I used, but when I was working with the purples, they're not the easiest to work with. So this, I would say, definitely isn't my favorite Morphe palette. I have other palettes from Morphe that I love so much more, and I just wasn't that impressed. And maybe it's just because of my personal preference for more warm colors or tones, but I just felt like the pigmentation and the formula of these wasn't as good as their other palettes. Like the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette, absolutely love. I think the pigmentation's there. I think the blendability is amazing. But with these, I'm not in love. And I'm just kind of disappointed with it. I'm always gonna be honest with you guys about my feelings on this channel. Those are my final thoughts on the Morphe review. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if there's anything in the future you would like me to review as well, leave that down below in the comments. That is the end of the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.